Making a short video. I put this garage door opener on this weekend, November 2019. This is a side mount garage door opener. It hooks on that torsion spring up there, or the spring shaft rather. Door opener. This is a slack sensor. When this closes, the door opener reverses. This is to keep the cable from coming out of the wheel up there, or if the door something obstructs it, it keeps it from crushing it or the cable from coming off. So this switch should normally be open. When you're calibrating the door for open and close, if this cable goes slack, the sensor is going to trip closed. The door reverses, goes up, and you got to redo the whole programming sequence. When I was programming it, I found that I had a few issues going up and down. So where it would go up easy, and then when to try to get it to go down, and its process is a little weird to program it. So what I ended up doing was pulling this emergency handle like this. That disengages the door, and you can see the little thing up there, that metal tab. And then to make it go back, you pull it again, wait for it to click, and then it'll snap back in place. And then to program it, the manual, you need the manual, and then you use these two up and down black and yellow buttons. I just left the wire there because I don't know if I might need to adjust sensors or whatever later. But that was the biggest gotcha on this thing, figuring out the safety release and programming the thing. And this model also has an electric door lock. They said put it about 3 inches above the third row from the floor, so I did. Excuse me. The only thing I ran into with this was this needs a 3/4 inch hole. I didn't have a bit that size, and that's kind of an oddball. I actually had a step bit, and that was made from metal, so I used that. That would be one thing you need. And then if for whatever reason power ever goes out, or you want to lock this manually, you just do that. And then that locks it again. You don't have to worry about it, because when you open it or close it, this thing automatically activates, then the door will go up. So, and then down here you get the normal floor sensors. This is the receive sensor, and if the LEDs are green on them, they are sensing each other. If I put my hand in here, it'll go out because it broke the beam. Those LEDs need to be lit when you're adjusting the door, else it's not going to go down. So this is a model. It's a Chamberlain door opener. I believe it's an RJ020, something like that.